You got yourself Trendlines. Let's talk about a very powerful day trading tool that I think all traders should be using, especially beginner traders, those just getting started, and not necessarily in the stock market. It could be used in any market, cryptocurrency market, futures market, options market, etc. And they are very basic, which is also almost very deceiving, at least for me in my experience with it. But just because something is very, very basic, oftentimes, as you're about to see in this video, it's gonna work out very, very nicely. But before we go any further, hey, check out the t-shirts. If you wanna help support the channel, go to the link here that's flashing up on the screen. We have sizes for everybody. So definitely go grab yourself a t-shirt. They're only 20 bucks. So I mean, and that includes shipping. So go grab yourself a t-shirt. All right, well, Trendlines, let me first also open up that I'm not gonna sit here and talk in theory. I'm gonna show you a real life example that came from my playlist of live trading videos that I offer on the channel. And you'll see exactly what I talk about here play out in the real world of trading. That way you know that it's not like a textbook where it's just some sort of theoretical, hypothetical thing. None of that is being avoided. But let's just start at the very start here. What is a trend line for somebody that's maybe very, very new to the markets? And like I said, it's very basic. In fact, like I said, I didn't use trend lines a whole lot at first because I'm like, no. This is way too basic. There is no way that something this basic can have any use. But no, you definitely should be using them as a day trader. So right here, trend, it's just all, you want to see, is there any sort of common theme that's going on, right? So you're just looking for some sort of context, right? Because that's what a trend is. It's some sort of context. And then a line, you know what a line is. So a trend line is just simply going to be, well, I notice that the context may be going down. Hey, I know that a context may be going up. And how you draw these trend lines, what's telling you how to do that, that's a little bit outside of the scope of this video. But the point here being, but you'll actually see within the live trade video, but that's what a trend line is, right? It's showing you context, and how do you actually make the context visual? You use a line. So it's as simple as that. And again, if you're sitting there like, I feel like a child, I know that's what I'm saying is something this basic actually carries a whole lot of weight. So let's now go to the clip, and I'm gonna show you me actually drawing this trend line in a real life trading situation. Quick little update here. It's continued to drift down lower and lower here. I don't know. Should I be maybe looking to play some sort of trend line break here? So potentially 32 now, the entry point. So now that you see the trend line in place, let's go to the video, and you're gonna see how, well, not even once, but multiple times, the price actually goes up and hits this trend line. So let's go to the next clip. And I turn my back away for just a second, but check that out. Look, the power of charts. Now, our chart's perfect? No. But our chart's something that should be learned? Absolutely. Look at that. Look how the price bounced right off of that trend line. Crazy. Like I said, I wish I would have captured that on video, but I mean, at least you saw me draw the trend line in there. But a quick little kind of sales pitch there for why I think you should highly consider learning about technical analysis and the power of charts to use within your trading. And once again, look at that, knocking right on the door of that trend line. Amazing, amazing stuff right there. Look at that. Total rejection. But you know what? The price decides it wants to try again. Let's see what happens. And yeah, once again, that trend line has rejected the price back down. Third time. Crazy stuff. Now, the next section you're going to see here is a little bit of a fast forward in the future. I had built a bigger position, but that's not really the point of this video at all. But just notice that the stock starts to move, and it starts to move very quickly in my favor. And then, again, outside of the scope of this video, but there's something that's known as a trading halt, where a stock halts. A stock will actually stop trading. But notice where the stock decides to just stop trading. Okay, let's see. Oh, we're going to get halted, and I'm going to hold into the halt. I'm going to hold through it with 200 shares. So this is going to be halted. You can't make this stuff up. Look right where it got halted. At the trend line. At the trend line, it got halted. Now, trading halts are just temporary, so you saw the stock stop. You saw that it happened to stop right at the trend line, but they're temporary. But let's see what happened next after the stock started to trade again. Well, let's now take a look at that. There we go. We're back. Not a great halt. In fact, it halted down on me. So it may go back up, but that's frustrating. Well, good job, government. You killed that run. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look. The trendline rejection. Again. Stupid trendline. And yes, I'm disappointed. Yeah, do you see me starting to get emotional? I'm literally reverting back to like the second grade and I'm calling a trendline names. You know, but trendlines work, right? Trendlines are powerful. Sure, trendlines can sometimes be annoying, but that doesn't mean that they're invalid because they become annoying to you. Because remember, why are they becoming annoying, or why were they becoming annoying to me in this situation? Because they were working too good. But that's just the nature of it, and why I believe that, hey, do you got trendlines? If not, you definitely should be using them, and not even as a beginner day trader. Not even as a day trader. If you're a swing trader or investor, I would argue trendlines are very, very powerful. So hopefully this video kind of helps point you in the direction to want to learn more about trendlines and using them within your trading. I do offer an entire trading course that includes trendlines amongst many other things. So if you want to go on a deeper dive and all that stuff, then definitely check out my site, claytrader.com, and you can learn more about that there. But if not, that's cool too. But just be aware that, trendlines are a very, very effective and powerful tool. And hopefully this video can, like I said, convince you to learn more about them. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And again, check out the t-shirts if you want to help support the channel. It goes a long way. And thank you for your support in that regard. Like I said, we have sizes for everybody. But everybody take care, have a good one. Hit that like button, leave a basic comment down below. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.